Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to everyone watching. I hope you're having a great day or a great time in general. And today we're going to be looking at PikaOS. So I've never installed it before, I've never set it up before. So this will be a first impressions video at the same time as being another GNOME setup video. Yeah, I'm not installing it on a drive. I'm going to do it through a virtual machine, and hopefully there are no hiccups whatsoever. So, let's try this. Let's do a local install. I bet there's going to be something I need to do for because it's a Debian-based system, but hey, we'll see. Browse local, downloads, PikaOS net GNOME. I'm installing the GNOME version, but I'll try to... Oh, can't find the operating system. Generic Linux, interesting. Okay, let's do that. Let's give it... what are we using right? Okay, let's give it 16 gigs. Say we're doing that, and let's give it 12 of that. Okay, there we go. Disk, let's give it 75. Name, Pikachu OS. Customize configuration. No, I think we're good. All right, here we go. No bootable device. Cannot read from... Not a bootable disk. Okay, interesting. Pikachu. Let's try this again. Pikachu OS. We're gonna do UEFI instead. Is there... Oh, let's do UEFI. Yeah, okay, we're good. We're good. It should be fine now. Let's try. Oh, it's working. Okay, it's working, guys. Let's go full screen here. Boot PikaOS live image. Yes. I just pressed enter. I don't know if it did anything wrong or something. Oh, here we are. Okay, welcome. Install Distro 2 system. Is there a Canada? No, okay. So we're gonna do English US. Or is there a UK version? I'd rather take the UK version. Alright. Next, I agree. That's a very small EULA. Next. Montreal. Next. Automatically partition. No disk. Oh, there we go. Advanced options. Let's do this. No, let's do this. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, right? This is all, just me trying stuff for the first time. Alright, confirm and install PikaOS. Yes, here we go. This is the first time I'm ever trying this. So if I do anything wrong, and tell me, and I'll make sure I don't do the mistakes again. Okay, it's writing image to target disk. Okay. Cool. Alright, let's reboot it quickly. Alright. Go back to full screen. Should be good, right? Or is it going to launch the installer again? Oh no, we're good. Alright, this wizard will help you finish your PikaOS installation. Okay. This is looking like cachy a little. Okay. Internet. Network settings. I'm connected via wire, so we don't need to change that. Full name. Do I give my full name? Nah. Host name. Pikachu. User password. Again. Oh, it's letting me use a one-letter password. Let's go. System updates. We recommend... Alright, let's update it. Nice little GUI. Alright, let's change the display settings at the same time. To a comfortable 1080p. Keep changes. Yes. Appearance is dark mode. That's good. I'm liking the wallpaper they're giving. It's nice. It's like... It's cartoony. It's a bunch of animals, cats, chickens, duckies. They're nice, nice. Okay. Available hardware drivers. Latest Git version. I have to skip it because I'm on a virtual machine. Would you like to install additional video? Oh, okay, cool. Multimedia codec. So this is like Nobara a bit too. From what I remember, I haven't been on Nobara in a long time. A long time, maybe a year and a half, but like, come on, for my generation, that's a long time. Okay, oh, it's installing all the lib stuff. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, oh, it's going speedy boy, speedy boy. Okay. No, it's not done. Wait, let's see if I can get a even higher resolution. Well, it's not that big of a difference, I don't think. Okay. Alright, we've got them installed. Install Met. Oh my goodness, this is like so good for beginners. Okay. Okay. I mean, this is kind of amazing, man. This is... Instead of people recommending Mint all the time, they should recommend this. Alright. It's our setup, so we can reboot now. Okay. Here we go. I have not used a Debian-based distro in a long time. Okay, cool. GNOME and GNOME on... Okay, no, we're doing normal GNOME. This is the pass. Cool. Show on startup. Okay. Let's change the display again. Also, 1 second. I'm going to do... Boom. Take a screenshot. I'm gonna go outside of full screen. Go to Files. Go to Pictures, Screenshots. And I'm going to do... Paste. That's gonna be for my thumbnail later. Okay. Fantastic. Let's go back to full screen, and now we are presented with this. So, did it actually install everything? Okay, first of all, it comes with Firefox. Welcome to PikaOS Update Manager software. Oh, did they put the Papyrus theme to start off? I think they did. Oh, I like these people, man. I like these people. Okay, great. This is that. This is that. This all looks pretty normal. Okay, cool. Okay. This is pretty cool. Let's do standard. This looks really nice. This is really, 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 really cool. Okay. Are we gonna keep the wallpaper? Wait, let's see what wallpapers they give us off the box. Appearance. Okay. Interesting. Okay. This is pretty cool. Lone chicken. I like that. Oh, Hollow Knight. Okay. We're gonna keep that Hollow Knight one. That's perfect. Okay. Anything else to change here? We're gonna keep all of this yellow. I like this yellow aesthetic a lot. Power. Well, I'm on a virtual machine, so yeah. Keyboard, mouse. They turn off mouse acceleration right off the get-go. Ah, yes, sir. Okay, that is great. Now, let's customize our GNOME the way... Actually, no, let's make sure everything is installed. Steam is installed. Heroic is installed. What else? Lutris? Yeah. What else? Are there like emulators already? No. Okay, that's fine. It comes with Firefox. Okay, I'll use Firefox this video. Why not? Let's go back to the Pika menu. Update my system. Okay. Kernel manager. I want to see the kernel manager. Latest stable version. Available kernel packages. Okay, so it gives me the newest ones right away. I wouldn't know how outdated or whatever, but it seems to me like it's actually up to date considering it's a Debian-based distro. Okay, we can install OBS. That's cool. I'm obviously not gonna use OBS in here, but apt process. This is great. You don't need to touch the terminal at all. Dude, I recommend Cachy a lot, but I might have to start recommending this. Blender, I don't use at all. Install device. Yeah, sure. Just to say we did it. Installing a bunch of things. Let's go. Okay. And gaming utility extras. Super cool. I love this a lot. I'm gonna have to consider actually putting this on my main drive at some point. Even though Cachy is super fun. Oh, something's going on though. And now it looks choppy, but what I'll tell you is it's been the least laggy experience I've had so far on a virtual machine. Oh crap, am I gonna have to kill this? Yeah, okay. I think that's more of a virtual machine issue, not a... Get new icons and themes. So, oh my goodness, I was going to show you how to use like git clone and stuff to get the things you want, but you might not even have to anymore. Oh, maybe you do. This is the kind of stuff I don't know about, so I'm not gonna do that. Configure, open GNOME tweaks. No, choose a desktop layout. Oh wait, GNOME. What's GNOME? GNOME 2? Oh, it's like a more old school GNOME. Okay. Don't show that again. Dismiss. What's 11? Oh, is it for Windows 11? Okay, so if you want a Windows 11 layout, you can go for that. I don't know. Don't show again. This is... What is this? Like Mate or like LX something here? Okay. Unity? Oh, is this like the Ubuntu style? Yeah, okay. Not too bad. Let's stick with GNOME. If it ever changes back. Oh, crap. As soon as I changed it to... Oh my, okay. Well, we're gonna have to fix that. Add extensions to your desktop. Okay. Okay. Alright. This will be an opportunity, because the video I did about my GNOME setup, the quality was so horrible, so this will give me an opportunity to show you guys what is up. I'm just gonna do a quick refresh or restart here. Reboot. There we go. That's not too complicated, at least. Okay. This video may be long. It is a first impressions thing. Okay, there we go. We're back. We're back to what it needs to be. Yeah, okay. So let's open Extension Manager. Let's see. What do we... Oh, wait. Extensions list. Oh, wow. There's already a lot of things installed. Okay. System Monitor. Okay. Okay. Not too bad. Let's turn that off for now. Just Perfection. We absolutely want. Dude, holy cow. Oh, no. Did I turn off the extension list by accident? Oh, no. It's there. I'm an idiot. Never mind. Dash to dock. Oh, snap. Okay. That's fine. It's very Ubuntu-like, actually. Okay. Desktop icons I don't want. Arc menu I do want. Oh, and of course, we want the big boy open bar. Okay. Wait, extension. I'm gonna change something in the extensions list. I'm going to... No, I'm not gonna do anything. Okay. I'm gonna start right away with dash to dock because this thing is kind of annoying me. Okay, bam. Bam. Oh, do we have blur my shell? No, we don't. That's the missing part. I knew there was something missing. Shrink the dash here if you go to appearance. An applications icon I like having at the beginning, but I'm going to actually remove it entirely. Let's go to extension manager. Let's go to blur my shell. There we go. There we go. So the extensions you should have: arc menu, dash to dock, extension list, just perfection. I don't know what that is. Oh, wait, no, I want that. I want that. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. Workspace indicator? Ah, that's pretty cool. Where's blur my shell? There we go. Okay. Let's change this to a 40, but at a 70 brightness. No, let's do 80. And then corner, I'm gonna put that all the way to the most it can go to. Here I would completely remove everything. No. Yes, this, we need to change this. Remove opaque focused window. Enable all by default. We're to 40, and let's get this a bit cleaned up. And a quick tip, if you need something to not be blurred, sorry, hold on. You could just click on that. Hold on, let me show you. If you want your files to not be blurred, boom. That's all you gotta do. Add window, select window, and you're done. In my case, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, we're good with that. We're good with that. What's next? Let's do arc menu. Is there going to be a PikaOS icon that I can use? Pika, yeah, let's do that. Yes, sir. Okay. Cool. Okay, that was the old UI, so I can tell it's maybe one version of GNOME behind, which is not a big deal. Really isn't. Because the previous version of GNOME was fine. We can change the layout of the arc menu if you want. I'm not going to. Hold on, let me go back here. Make this bigger. Let's do... Did I do blur my shell already? Yes, I did. Dash to dock, I already did. Let's do that's fine. Just perfection. Go to customize. Panel size, you don't touch for now because that's going to be with open bar. Let's do 2. And then 0. And then my clock is on the right side. We're going to put it right before the... There we go, that's perfect. Dash icon size. I can change that from here if I want, but we're not going to. Animation speed, let's put it at faster. Or fast. Okay, cool. Let's try something else. What did I want to do? Show activities button. Sure. Let's do that. The reason why I wanted it to do that is because... Oh, that's an immediate animation. Okay. Interesting. Alright. Enough messing around. Let's do, no, we did that already. I don't know what that is. Let's do the open bar configuration. Alright, let's try auto theming, see what it gives us. Let's do true color. Bam. Alright, not bad. What if we do pastel? Dark theme? Alright, let's do that. Let's start off with that. I go mainland. I put bar height a little lower. The 30, something of that sort. I don't touch anything here. I don't touch anything here unless you want to change the font, which I actually do. So we're going to do some... do I really... Cantarell? What does Cantarell give me? I don't like that. Deja vu. That's ugly. Is there a way I can just go back to default? Probably not, but... Okay, let's do Cantarell. That's fine. Also, I'm going to change another thing. Where is the... Okay, system. Date and time. So I like how it defaults to 24-hour time. To the person who knows I'm talking about that person, you know. Okay, background. Do we dig this blue? I think we do. But what about green? Actually, we should probably do a yellow since it's Pika. That's a bit too yellow though. I like me some green. Let's do green. This we don't need to change. Oh wait, let's do green and then a gradient to yellow. Bar highlights. Highlights is when you go on top here, so go here and change it to something like a blue. I'm not liking this gradient, actually, so we're gonna change that. I kind of feel like changing the background wallpaper, actually, so let's go back. Let's do this. No. I want something yellow. Alright, let's do that. Wait, let's see what auto-theming does now. Oh, that's nice. Okay, we're doing that. Bar background, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Less alpha, though. That's fine, that's fine. Bar highlights, non-automatic. Do yellow. Perfect. Oh. Even better. Bar border, we're gonna do a darker color. We're gonna do this. Oh, there we go. Corner, no corner. Apply radius to this. No. Neon glow, sure. Width of the border, let's put it a little smaller. Yeah, like even less actually. 1.2. There we go, that's nice. Pop-up menus being all of this. The background color is actually fine. It's the exact one I wanted. Override secondary off. Cool. Okay, highlight color. Let's do yellow. Accent color. Let's do also yellow. Okay. That's all we need here. Dock, let's do same as... Oh, wait a minute. I have to quit this, don't I? Okay. Nope, that's not what I needed to do. Let's do... Hold on. Dash to dock. Remove that. There we go. Nope, that's not what I... Oh my goodness, I'm lost. I'm sorry. Top bar colors. Let's do top bar colors. Icon size, we're doing this. Even smaller, I think. 35. Don't need to do anything to that. Okay, GNOME shell. So right now if I right click, it's just a normal one. But if I do this, it'll apply the pop-up menus. And speaking of the pop-up menus, I want the border to be black as well. There we go. Oh, and the highlight also needs to be higher. Yes. Okay. GNOME shell. So now we right click. Now that's fine. GTK and Flatpak apps. So hint. I'm just gonna put everything to this brown, I guess. Let's put it to the max. Do pane window. Window border black. By corner radius, let's put the corner radius to max. Pop over styles. Default? Okay. Traffic light, no, I don't want that. This and that. Let's, now if we reopen that, it didn't change. Okay. What did I do wrong? Funny. Hold on. Let me try a different app. Oh, there we go. Oh, that is it's... Why is it brighter? No, I guess it's fine. Honestly. If we open software, it's still like that. That's fine. If we open files, though, it's like that. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's how I would set it up if I install this natively. System monitor. Okay. Places? No. I don't know what that was. Okay. Interesting. Now, I'll leave this there. I'll unpin this. I'll leave that. No, I'll unpin this, actually. There's a weird glitch going on there. If I were here, I would add Steam. I would add Heroic. I would add... well, I would add Discord. Or Vescop. Oh, wait. No way, it's already there. Oh, no, we have to install it. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Well, while I'm kind of doing all this, I'm gonna give you my first impressions. Super impressed. I knew it was going to be a good operating system, but man, this is gonna be the wave for beginners, I think. It's not like Mint or Ubuntu where it's going to hold you back on outdated software. It's a Debian-based distro, so it makes it easier, but it's up to date. And dude, the installing process is so beginner friendly, man. I love it. I love it so much. Let's hold on, desktop. Pin to dock. I would put it here. No, I would put it here. Yeah. Okay. What about if I want my own, if I want to do a new GTK theme, or I want my own icons or something like that? Well, we have Papyrus, so let's install Tela, I guess. So this is where I would touch the terminal, and oh man, I think the only times I've actually had a Debian-based distro on my system, I barely use the terminal. So this is gonna be interesting. Say we do Mac Tahoe GTK theme. Do we do his? Or do we do Kaio? If I write Kaio. Alright, let's do that. I don't remember if I have to get, if I have to do... Oh, there we go. Okay. So what you do here is you copy this. You go to your console. You do... Well, here it's going to be git... Well, it's the same thing, I guess. Git clone. Control-Shift-B for what you want. We're cloning into that. Okay, it's a little slow, but that's okay. I wonder if there's a thing to rank the mirrors in here. I like this a lot. Oh, I see a little problem here. I'm gonna fix that. If we go to... No, here. Open bar. Oh, that's a little annoying. If I turn off Blur My Shell, hold on. No, I'm not gonna turn off Blur My Shell. I'm going to... Oh man, okay, it's getting a bit difficult for me. Do applications. See it a little bit, which is annoying, so I'm gonna do that. All right, I'll turn it off for now. It's not okay. Now that we've cloned into that, let's do change directory, and then you do GNOME. Actually, we do that, and I think if you tab, boom, it's done. Now that we've changed our directory to that, we do /install.sh-d-la. It has been installed. Fantastic. Now, if we want, what do we want? We want telecircle. There we go. Same thing. You can do it from the top here if you want as well. So copy. Go to your console. Delete that. You go to your console. Do paste. Oh, you see? It got applied. Paste. Crap. Clear. Clear. Git clone. Paste this. And if it's not a same thing here. But if it's not a GTK theme, you don't have to do dot slash d. No, you don't have to do dash d dash la. You can do simply install sh, and boom, it's done. So what you can do now, if you see here, no, it's not done yet. So we go to tweaks now. Oh crap. Okay, so the reason why it's super transparent here, okay, is because I'm on a virtual machine. But on a real setup, it's going to look blurred with the... Oh, wait. No, never mind. Hold on. Hold on. Shit, I don't see anything. Application. Enable all by default. Oh, that's better. Yeah, okay. Never mind. It works. There you go. You see it. If we go here, we've got our telecircle icons. Nice. Cursor, we'll leave that there. Shell, Tahoe, dark. And now if we go here, oh, it's Mac Tahoe like. Hey, legacy applications, Tahoe, dark. Do I have the Tahoe icons with that? No. Okay. But yeah, that's how I would set it up if I do it on my main drive. So, final verdict, PikaOS, pretty awesome. I haven't used it to its extent though, but oh, I have to do one last thing, dude. I can't believe I didn't do this at the beginning. Is it installed right away? No, it's not. So let's do sudo apt install fast fetch. Dude, I haven't done sudo apt in so long. Clear. Fast fetch. What does it look like? It's not it's not really a greatest logo out there, but hey, okay, yeah, that's it. We're on GNOME 48 here instead of 49. That's okay. It's still a good version. All right, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, first impressions of this. I think this will be amazing for beginners. Instead of going for Linux Mint, Ubuntu, or oh man, worst of all, Zorin OS, they could go with something like this and have a modern system that gives you so much out of the box. It is awesome, man. And oh crap, man, it's good, man. I'm gonna have to install this on my main drive. Probably might replace CachyOS. Maybe not. We'll see. But anyhow, this is gonna be a bit of a long video. I'm sorry about that. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It won't shut down. Okay, we're just going to do that. Shut down. Shut down. No, force off. There we go. All right. Yeah. I'll see you around. Peace.